Are you struggling to figure out what ukulele to buy for your kid? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer that question. This one is the Ultimate Kids Ukulele Buying Guide. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. Thanks for being here, and thanks for subscribing to the channel and turning that bell notification on. Now, I know how tough it can be trying to find the right ukulele out there. There's so many options, so many things on Amazon. Even on my store, store.ukelikethepros.com, there's so many different ukuleles. So we're going to go over which ones are great for your kids, which ones are fun, and by the way, all of these ukuleles are going to be under $100, so you can't beat that. All right, what ukuleles are going to be in this video? The Ohana SK10, the Kala Ukadelic, the Enya Nova, the Cordoba UP1S, the Kala KA20S, and for something really cool, the Ohana SK15W kit. This is one that you can design your own. All right, let's go ahead and start with the SK10 kit. Now, all of these, and I'll mention the one or two that aren't, are going to be sopranos. So sopranos are going to be your smallest ukulele. They're great for kids. They're a great starter uke because one, they're small, they're easy to hold and play, and also it helps keep the price down a little bit. So anyway, what I like about this first one, this Ohana SK10 kit, is that not only do you get the ukulele here, and it comes in a bunch of different fun colors as well, but you also get the bag along with it. It also comes with this nice little pack that has a few things in it, like a tuner, a strap, a chord chart, and different things like that. All right, let's check this out. All right, now, one of the things I like about all the companies I deal with, and by the way, all these ukes are at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site to get your ukuleles and ukulele needs. And these are companies I work with and that I enjoy working with, and they put out a great product. Okay, there's so many ukuleles out there. Obviously, I couldn't cover all of them in a video like this, but I'm going to show you the ones that I feel are great ukuleles, especially for kids, kind of get started and get going. Plus, the other thing that's cool about this one as well, this SK10, is it also comes with a strap button, so you're all ready to go. All right, next we're going to jump into the Kala Ukadelic. These ones are really fun. As you can see, I already have a strap put on this one, and this one is actually my daughter's ukulele. I had to go steal it from her room, but this one is cool because, again, it's a soprano, so it's a small size, easy to hold, but it comes in a lot of fun colors. All right, let's check this one out. All right, now the cool thing is that this one does also come with a gig bag with it, but as an option, I highly recommend doing this. I have upgraded my daughters to this. This is like the cutest case ever, this hard shell case. And the cool thing about this one is when you open inside, it's got the nice purple plush in there. And the ukulele fits in there well. It also protects it against the many, many things that kids can do to ukuleles, stepping on them, throwing them, dropping things on them, playing with them with food in their hands, whatever, right? This hard shell case can protect against that. Next, we have the Enya Nova. Now, a couple of things that are different about this one. One, this is a concert size, and I'll show you the difference between a concert and a soprano. Two, this is a carbon fiber uke, so it's going to be a little bit more durable than a wood uke is going to be. But this one's really fun. It does come in different colors. I chose this one red, and it does have a cool little pickup in it, so you have a little bit of sound, and also you can actually plug this one in. And by the way, look at that's the strap button too. So let me play it. We'll talk a little bit more about it. All right, so this one is a concert size. And what is the difference between a concert and a soprano? That's a great question. Let me grab the soprano here. So you notice, if you look at the two bodies of the two, this concert one is going to have a bigger body, although this one is a slim body if you compare to this, but it is a bigger body. Also, the concerts have a longer neck. But don't worry, if you really like these Enyas, they actually do come in a soprano as well. All right, so the cool thing about these, and I'm going to put the soprano down, is that it does come with this matching case here, which is kind of cool. And then they do have this little goodie bag that has a strap, some strings, a capo and stuff in it as well. But one of the cool things is, besides the looks, like don't these look cool? It's got the cutaway here. It's got the sound port. You got 2 strap buttons actually, not just one. You do have the pickup. You have this kind of fancy sound hole, but it's got these effects built in. So this is without the effects. And then when you turn them on, you just got to hold this button here. There it is. It has a reverb and a chorus. So notice I got a little reverb on it. You hear that little echo there? So that's the reverb. So it's kind of cool, a fun uke. Your kid's gonna love the Enya Nova. All right, next we have the Cordoba Soprano. This is a UP1S. This is a pack as well. Remember that first Ohana pack that we have, which is really cool because you're gonna get a lot for the value of it. These are actually kind of cool. Got a little bit of a different look to them. It's got the cool rosette here behind it. Let me play it and I'm gonna show you some of the goodies you get along with it. All right, so this is a soprano, if I didn't mention that already. You're gonna notice a lot of these sopranos sound very similar. They've got the smaller body. These are all laminate, by the way. That just means laminate wood, and that's really what's helping keep the price down. But again, for your kid, for a starter uke, they're actually great ukes. This one's cool because it comes with a little tuner. You do get the bag as well. And then it has an extra set of strings and a little booklet that has some chords and songs in it. So kind of cool sticking with these packs so you get a lot of value for a great price. Don't forget that all these ukuleles that I'm showing you are available at my store. That's the #1 online store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. These are ukes that I have in stock. These are ukes that I play. These are companies that I deal with. So I know here that these ukes are gonna have a great sound, a great feel, and again, at a great, great value. All of them, again, are under $100. This one is really fun. This is the Ohana SK15W kit. So yeah, so this is not a mistake. It actually comes like this. This one I like is because it's the willow wood, and so it has a lot of variation in the wood. But what you do is you get it like this. You get this unfinished uke, no strings, no nothing on it. You can go ahead and color it, you can paint it, you can do whatever you want with it. It's really cool. And then it just comes with this simple pack. It's got the strings, it's got the tuner, it's got everything you need to know, and it's got instructions. Don't worry about how to put it together. Matter of fact, Ohana has something online to show you how to do this. It's pretty easy. I think you just need a screwdriver and you can do it. But this is a fun kit for those that want to be artistic and express their own personal style right here on their ukulele. I'm going to give you just a couple more options before we get out of here. This one is a Kala 20S. Yes, this is another soprano, but it's just a little bit different. I just want to show you one that doesn't have a lot of color, and it's actually got a very nice, pretty wood grain on it. And yeah, it sounds good. This is MERANTI wood, by the way. Let's check it out. Don't forget, when you get a ukulele from me at store.ukelikethepros.com, you're going to get access to my online teaching as well, which is on my other website, ukelikethepros.com. So not only will you get a great ukulele, but we're actually going to help you and your child learn and become a great ukulele player. So I wanted to finish up with something fun. It's another Ohana, but this one, really cool. This is a pineapple shape. This is a PKC 10. Now, this is a concert size, remember, so concert, a little bit of a bigger body, a little bit of a longer neck. But as you notice, when I'm going to play it, it's going to have a bigger sound. And by the way, these do come in the smaller soprano size if you want. So you can hear the sound. It's a much bigger sound and fuller sound with the concert. But yeah, again, like I mentioned, it's a little bit bigger and a little bit longer. So you just have to decide if you like that concert size. Usually the price goes up a little bit, but again, this one is under $100. So anyway, thank you for being here. I hope this helped a little bit, show you some great ukes at a great price. You have a lot of variety here. Hopefully we can find one that's going to match your kid's personality, your kid's style. These are all great ukes, great starter uke, great ukes to travel with, take to the beach, have a good time with, and also become a better ukulele player. So thanks for being here. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.